Happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. This week we are going to be continuing on with our bedroom update, and you know I'm so excited about this. I have been wanting to update the furniture in the bedroom for a really long time now, and we've started to kind of chip away at it. We already swapped out the bed frame and we added in some nightstands, and I'm absolutely loving how they turned out. I think they look so good in the space. This week we're going to be adding to that and we're going to be swapping out my dresser. I have had the same bedroom set in this black wood for about 12 years now. We're swapping it out for a warmer wood tone, a more natural wood tone, and I think it just looks really good in the space, especially because we have a very moody, dark vibe going on in the room, so it kind of just gives it a little bit of balance. So I'm really excited. So we are going to assemble the dresser, and we're also going to be organizing and decorating the top of it this week. If you guys are interested in continuing to update my bedroom furniture with me, then make sure to stick around and watch this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so YouTube shows you more of my videos. I have new videos out every single Sunday, and we are going to get right into building the dresser. So this is the new dresser. The box is gigantic. It is about the same size as the dresser that I already have. It's just a different look and a different wood tone, but we're gonna put it together. This week we are partnering with the brand Hernest, and if you guys have been around for a little while on my channel, then you'll know that I've partnered with them before, and I actually updated the kind of like entryway console table that we put into the back living room of our house with a console table from Hernest, and it is just so gorgeous. I love that piece. It organized the space so much, and it just really opened it up and made it look so much nicer and so much more put together. So I'm super excited to be partnering with them again. They make really beautiful high quality pieces, and one of my favorite things is that they ship it to you pretty much already put together, which is amazing. All you have to do really is like add the legs, maybe a couple little detail pieces, but otherwise it's pretty much ready to go. So I'm really excited to open up this box and see what it's looking like and what we actually need to assemble, and then we'll be able to move it into the bedroom, get the old dresser out, and start organizing.
Fall to the ground. I'm the cold that shields the rain, will keep you dry, you never will complain. You don't need me in the sun, and I can't feel that way, building every day, but I will stay. I will stay where you need me. I know my heart made my foundation shake, but I won't change.
Okay, so we got the dresser into the room and it is absolutely stunning. Love how it looks in here. It's so beautiful, and it goes with the bedroom set perfectly. So I'm super happy that I picked this piece because the wood tones match exactly. The fluting detail just looks so good with the fluting on the bed frame and the nightstands. Totally stunning. I love it. I love this brand. I have not been disappointed by them once. They're just so high quality. Putting this together was super easy. All I had to do was add on these gold handles, which took just a couple of minutes. It was so simple to do. We did get it into the bedroom. It was a little bit tough to do, and we had to get a little bit creative in moving it into the bedroom because it is a solid wood piece. It's very heavy, which is a good thing because it's really high quality and it's going to last a very long time. So we ended up putting it on like a little wood board with wheels that we have for like plants and things, and wheeling it into the bedroom, which was so much easier because I could lift it, but I couldn't really walk and lift it, so that made it a lot easier for us to do. And that's one of the first things that I noticed about this piece is that it is really heavy and it's very substantial, and once you get it into the place where you want to keep it, it's just one of those pieces that is going to last for years and years. Like truly it could be one of those pieces that you pass down throughout your family. It's just going to last forever. And now that I have it in here, I just know that it is exactly what I've been looking for this space. It's so perfect. So I can't wait to show you guys all together what it looks like. And you all know that I've been updating my furniture in the bedroom space and that I am obsessed with fluted furniture, so getting this piece with the fluted details was perfect for me and my decor, and just such a stunning piece. I love the detail work of fluting. I think it's just so special and timeless. It has just enough texture to make it something that's really special. One of those pieces that really makes a statement without being too much, which is perfect for my space because I love that vintage, old world, elegant sort of feel, and I think this really fits into that vibe. But I also think it could really easily fit into a more modern space or even like organic modern sort of vibe. And I really love the sizing of this dresser. It's roughly about the same size as my old one, but it's a little bit taller, and it has a really nice curved top to it. It's 62 inches long. They have a smaller one in the same style as well, but for me 62 inches is perfect. That's about how long my old one was, and I do have a lot of clothes, as you will see, so I really need a bigger dresser to be able to fit everything in. Now we are going to do the part that is a little bit challenging but also very satisfying to see. We are going to be organizing all of my clothes into the dresser, and I know for me, like when I'm watching videos, I really love seeing organizational videos and cleaning videos and that kind of thing. I find it very relaxing. Hopefully you all do as well. If you do, definitely leave me a comment, let me know so that we can do more of this style of video, because it's something that helps to motivate me to kind of clean and organize my space. And this dresser does have 6 drawers, and the drawers themselves are actually very deep. I think they're a lot deeper than my old dresser. The sides on my old dresser went way lower, so you couldn't fit as much like stacked as you could in this one. I'm really hoping that all of my clothes fit really nicely into this, but if they don't, then that will be motivation for me to get rid of some, which I probably need to do as well. So my plan for organizing the dresser is each drawer is going to be its own category. Probably going to do a couple drawers of like pants, bottoms, shorts, that sort of thing, and then a couple drawers of skirts, and then we'll go from there and see how much space we have left. So we got everything organized inside, and I actually have a little bit of room left over, so that's really exciting. I did get rid of some jeans that I just don't wear or don't fit quite right, that sort of thing, so I'll be donating those, so that's also really good. And I'm super excited that I have a little bit of room left in some of these drawers because my old dresser was completely jam-packed, which gave me no room for if I got anything new or if I wanted to swap out like what I was putting in some drawers. They were just like stuffed to the brim. A few of them are quite full, but there are also a few that are like half full, so that's really nice. So since we have everything organized, now we get to do my favorite part, which is going to be decorating the top of the dresser. And I want to kind of simplify what's on top of my dresser. My old dresser, I had a lot of decor that was like little knickknacks, little containers to hold things, that sort of thing. So I want to kind of streamline it a little bit more, but I am going to try and reorganize things and add in a little bit of like more just traditional decor pieces to try to tie it into the room a little bit better. And I do have a really beautiful antique vase that is in our front living room that I want to bring into here and put on the dresser as well. I got it at an antique mall like, I don't know, maybe a year ago at this point, but it's just really, really beautiful. I want to have that here. It's large, so I think it'll fit the scale of things really nicely. And I did pick up some fake florals at Michael's that I'm going to be putting in that vase just to kind of give it a little something extra. I'm going to go ahead and gather up the decor that I had on my old dresser, and we can start to kind of play with it and put it together.
Know my heart made my foundation shake, but I won't change till you tell me.
So this is the finished look. I'm so happy with how it turned out. I think it looks so beautiful, and I feel like it's a really huge upgrade from the way that my dresser looked before, where it was just kind of like a lot of stuff on it and a little bit cluttered. I think this is much more intentional and just really kind of feels like decor instead of just things on the dresser. The only thing that I feel like is out of place is my alarm clock. Which is not the cutest. It works really well, and I love a sunrise alarm, so it's hard for me to kind of swap it out for something that's a little bit more aesthetic, just because it's really functional and helps wake me up. If anyone has any suggestions for a cuter alarm clock, let me know. I would be open to swapping it out. But I think the dresser and the decor on the dresser looks so gorgeous. It's such a pretty, delicate, vintage sort of look that I really, really love. And I think looking at this room compared to where it started, it's so amazing to see how much progress we've made in this room and how it's just a completely different space with a totally different vibe. And I think the dresser really just ties together all the warm wood tones that we've been adding throughout the room, and it just has that really cozy, timeless feel that I've been working towards and wanting to incorporate in here. Honestly, I absolutely love Hernest. They're an amazing brand. I love all of their pieces. I love that it comes already assembled. It's so easy, and the pieces are are just so sturdy, so high quality. They're built with really, really good materials, and they have so much storage space. Like, it's really kind of deceptive. You look at it and it looks like it has a lot of storage, but then when you start adding things in, it's like it's doubled what you think it would be. I really love that because living in an old home, we have very little storage space, so anywhere that I can add extra storage is such a bonus for me. I'm so happy to have added one of their pieces to our bedroom. It's something that I know we're going to enjoy for a really, really long time and be able to take with us wherever we live, whatever home we're in. It's going to just really fit anywhere we go. A huge thank you to Hernest for partnering with me this week. Once again, this is their Finley 62-inch 6-drawer fluted dresser, and I'll link it below for you guys if you're interested in checking it out, or any of their other pieces. They have really beautiful home decor and a wide range of items if you're looking for anything to add to your space. That wraps up this week's video, and I hope that you guys enjoyed adding a little bit more to our bedroom space and continuing to kind of update it. We are almost done with the bedroom space. The only piece of furniture that we have left to swap out is the armoire in this room. It's still the black wood that we're trying to kind of transition out of, but already I think it's been a huge transformation and just such an upgrade. And I loved the room before, but I love it 10 times more now. It's just so perfect. If you enjoyed this week's video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you can see more of my videos. Don't forget to leave me a comment, let me know what you thought of this week's video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next Sunday.